Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Open QuickBooks Online on your computer or mobile device. Look for the new button at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Invoice. Now you will see a form where you can fill in the details of the invoice. First, select the customer for whom you are creating the invoice. You can choose from your list of existing customers. Once you select the customer, their email address and billing address will automatically populate. Next, enter the terms of the invoice, such as payment due date and any other relevant terms. After that, enter the invoice date and due date. These are important for keeping track of payment deadlines. If you want, you can add tags to categorize the invoice for better organization. Now enter the invoice number. QuickBooks will automatically assign a unique number, but you can also customize it if needed. Next, add the products or services you're billing for. Enter a description, quantity and rate, and QuickBooks will calculate the amount for you. If you need to add more products or services, you can do so by clicking the plus button. You can also select the unit of measurement, such as hours if you're billing for time. Scroll down to add a message that will appear on the invoice. This can be a thank you message or any other information you want to include. You can also enter a message that will appear on the customer statement. If you need to attach any files, such as contracts or receipts, you can do so in the attachment section. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on Save and Send to send the invoice to your customer via email. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.